What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Mend and Glow Flooring. I am Josh Gerard, and we're bringing you a fun and different installation this time. We've actually been contracted to resurface the floor in the basement of a speakeasy that the homeowners found shortly after they purchased the home a few years back. Now, a little bit of a backstory on speakeasies is that these were developed as essentially the first man caves, if you will, and they were very secretive. You actually had to have a passcode or a secret knock of some sorts to be able to access these very secretive locations. It was a very challenging time during the 1920s because alcohol was illegalized, and it forced a lot of people to go underground and create these speakeasies. I'm very excited for this installation. I hope you are too. Please stay tuned and check out this installation. So here's your point of egress here for this speakeasy, and you got this bulkhead here. So if you can picture in your mind, back in the Prohibition era, if you wanted to get in here, you had to give a knock. Secret passcode, secret knock. Here, look at this old style custom cabinetry. Look at this. All the trim work. I mean, look at these electrical lights. How's it going? We're on day 2. And we got the mitigation all done. We just set up some fast curing patch paste material to fill in a few cracks. So we found out that our resin was a little too cold. It's really viscosic right now. So Zeb had a good idea to start up my truck, hit the heat up, and put a couple buckets of the resin in there to get warmed up. So we'll take a look at it here in a few minutes. We should be ready to go.